I will show you how to sprout buckwheat. So simple. So I started this 20 minutes ago. You just add 1/3. There was only 1/3. So 20 minutes ago, already the water has been absorbed by the buckwheat. And then you fill it up with water. And this is a jar from Mom's. It's a jar with a screen and it's stainless steel. It's important. It's better than plastic. So I prefer that. I'll put in the information in the show note. Then you leave it to soak for an hour, and then you rinse it again, rinse, maybe 2-3 times a day. Depends where you are in the world. If it's warmer, do rinse 3 times. And then it sprouts. Look at this. You know, it just almost fills up the jar. And I want to show you what's important to know. So here you see you have a buckwheat that I live in Canada. So this buckwheat is not from Canada. And this one is. You see the color, the different color between the two? So this one, it said that it was expired February 2025. And I bought it in April 2024. So a grain won't sprout if it's too old. But this one didn't sprout for me. This one did, beautifully. And here you can see, you have the sprouts right here, still fresh, not dehydrated. Here you have when it's dehydrated. Why do I dehydrate? Because then it becomes shelf stable. It takes out when you dehydrate, it only takes out the water content. It doesn't alter the nutrients of the food. Now that it's been sprouted, it is a plant. It's not at the dormant stage anymore. So when you eat it, you're eating a plant. The anti-nutrients have been removed, most of it. The anti-nutrients, the phytic acid, the lectin, the tannin, it's been removed. So it's better for your digestion. It makes it bioavailable in the body. Plus, when you do this, you can do your own flour at home. So you see, this is a flour that has been made with that grain that has been sprouted and dehydrated. Look at this. So you can do your own flour. Why is that so important? Because when the flour that you buy isn't from a whole sprouted grain, whole sprouted grain, when it's not, it's made only with the endosperm. That means glue in your body. Why do I know that? As a child, my mom was a single mother. So, you know, we didn't spend money where there was no need to. So we made our glue with flour and water. So, I mean, imagine what it does to your body. So I invite you to just do that process. Very simple to do. Takes no time. You just make a bunch all at once. You know, you make your sprouted buckwheat and you keep it. There you go. You know, buy 10 pounds, sprout it, keep it. It will keep in an airtight container. And then you have a whole sprouted grain to do your living food, as I do, or to do your cooking if you like. Love food that loves you back.